Well, I wake up in the morning and jump back in the game. This working for a living is getting pretty lame. Why can't I win the lottery or find a sugar daddy? Got the working for a living blues. My friends are all retired. They live a life of ease. They do lunch, play music, come and go as they please. Sometimes I feel this blasted dog is bringing me to my knees. Got the working for a living blues. And when the day is over and my time is my own, by then it doesn't matter, 'cause I'm weary to the bone. This working for the man, and it's sucking the life out of me. And that's why I got the blues. When I was just a young girl, I never could foresee the life of strife and toil that lay ahead for me. Oh Lord, I ain't asking for no Mercedes-Benz. Just wanna retire and relax and have fun like my friends. A color TV won't do it for me. A night on the town won't turn things around. I just wanna quit and be done with it, 'cause